Gargi,
Yes, ma'am.
Harivardhan,
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj, Yuvraj, Yuvraj not here. Okay. Shreya,
Ma'am.
Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
Revan,
Present, ma'am.
yeah, Sai Samarth and Yuvraj had to join. Okay. Yeah, yesterday's estimation, all of you completed. Is there any doubt
Yes,
in that?
ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, screen is clear now. Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
good. Then yesterday we solved up to hundreds, isn't it? Hundreds. Yeah, up to here we already solved, isn't it? Ones, tens, and hundreds. Yes. Today we will discuss about thousands. Okay, thousands. It means we have to consider thousand. Next number we have to consider 2000 only. Okay, it is in between 1499 up to 499. We can consider it as round figure it as 1000 only. Okay, 1500 and above we can consider it as 2000. Clear? Yeah. In the same
Yes,
manner we
ma'am.
have to solve here. Yeah. So yes, find out the answer here. 2573. Yes. We have to round figure. How much? Harivardhan, tell the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 3000.
Why?
Ma'am, because it is more than 2500.
Yes, more than 2500. That's why we have to consider round figure to next number. That is next thousands. Which one? 3000. Very good. Very good.
3000.
Next one. Next one. 6404. Yes. Sneha, tell the answer.
Ma'am, which one? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6,000.
Why?
Ma'am, because it is very near to 6,000.
And also we can tell it as 6499. It is less than 6499. That's why we have to round figure to 6000. So then 6500 more than 6500 means next we can round figure to 7000. Is it clear now? Yeah, clear. Up to
Yes.
6499 we have to round figure to previous number, that is 6000. Okay, we here see here estimating to the nearest thousands by rounding off. Okay, thousands, just observe. Clear? Next value 7805. Yes, tell the answer, Gagi.
Ma'am, it's 7,000.
Why?
Ma'am, it is closer. Ma'am, the number is closer to 7,000.
No, just see, answer is wrong, that one. Listen, think carefully.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, ma, tell.
Sorry, ma'am. Due to some internet issue, I lived, ma'am.
Okay, it's
Ma'am, it
okay.
is 8,000.
8000. Yeah, good. 8000. Yes, Shreya. What is the answer? It is 8000. Why, ma? Gagi?
Ma'am,
Voice is
because
breaking.
the number. Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
tell ma.
is my voice Ma'am, is my voice is breaking now?
No. My voice is breaking, na? That is my question.
Ma'am,
No? It's clear, na?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. Tell.
Ma'am, because 7,805, ma'am, it is more than uh,
7,500.
7,500.
Yes, that's why we have to round figure
7,500.
to
That's right.
next 1,000. Yes. 8,000 is the answer. Here the answer is wrong. You should write 8,000. Be careful. Clear? Next one. Yes. Raven, tell the answer. Here 10,000 place is there. Then we have to round figure to up to 1,000. Encircle. Just encircle up to where? See. Ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, thousand. Just encircle up to 3,552. Yes, round figure this one. This answer also wrong.
Yes, ma'am. 5,400. Sorry, 53. 54,000, ma'am.
54,000. Isn't it? It's clear now. So it is more
Yes,
than
ma'am.
3,500. That's why we have to round figure to next 1,000. That is 54,000 is the answer. Is it clear? Yeah. Next one. Shreya, tell the answer. Encircle. You have to encircle up to 1,000. After you can tell the answer. Up to where we have to encircle, ma? Shreya?
ma'am, 6 till that
Yes, read this one first.
65,435. We should
37. Yeah.
37. We should
Yeah.
encircle
Up to-
here. Up to 6.
Up to where? Yes, read that one. 5,450, 37. We have to encircle. Yes, round it off. Six, take it as it is. 5,437. It is lies in between 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, where it is located? 5,437. Here. It means 5,500. Yes, round it off. Shreya, confusing, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Shreya. Confusing.
Ma'am, yesterday,
Yeah.
ma'am, yesterday you told me you will tell me this one. I am not still understanding this one.
Wait. Now? Yeah.
No, ma'am, I didn't understand this, ma'am. Yesterday also you told me I'll tell you.
Yeah. After that, I cleared, no?
Yeah, ma'am, it was a bit of confusing.
Yeah, still confusing, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, wait. Okay, see her. You should practice. Okay, once we have to round it off means just observe 0, 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just observe, Shreya. So up to 4, it is nearest to 0, isn't it?
Yes.
Up to 4, those numbers are nearest to 0. Then we can round it off 0 only. Clear? Then 6, 7, 8, 9 also nearest to 10. But 5, it is in between 0 and 10. That's why we have to consider, we have to round it off next number, that is 10. It means 5 and above number, we have to round it off next 10 number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. So this is ones. Next, we have to round it off tens means we just consider 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, okay, 50, 60, 70 up to 100. Just observe here. See, up to 40 we can round it off previous number. Okay, 50 and above we can round it off 100. Clear? Up to 40, 40 means up to 49 here. Less than 50. Up to 49, we can round it off previous number.
Okay, ma'am.
No. Wait. Yeah, just observe here. Here one number is, just think, 49. I will give one number 49. Okay. It is lies in between 40 and 50. Yeah. Then 49 we can round figure to 50 or 40. 49 is closer to 50 or 40.
So, ma'am, what did you say? Can you repeat?
49 is nearest to 50 or 40.
It's for 50.
Yeah, we have to round figure to 50 only. Okay, it means any number they will give it. Just observe here, 73. 73 number is here. So where it is located? 73. It located in between 70 and 80. Okay, then you should remember up to 74 you should round figure to previous, that is 70. It means 73 we can round it off to 70 only. Okay, more than 75 we can round it off to 80. It's clear, Shreya? Other students also clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
Shreya, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next we will move to hundreds. Just observe. 144 is there. Just observe. It lies in between 100 next 200. Just observe here, in between value is 150. Then 144 is lies here. You just think up to 149 the value will come, means you just round figure to previous, that is 100. Okay, 150 and more the value is come, means you should round figure to next 200. It means 144 we can round figure to 100 only. 150 we can round figure to next 200. 160 we can round figure to 200. 116 we can round figure to 100, like this. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you just think where it is located. Just think. Okay. Next, thousands. See here, 5004. Here value is 5437. This value is located in between 5000 and 6000. Okay. In between value is 5500. Okay. So up to previous number 5499 we can round figure to previous number. Okay. 5500 and more than 5500 we can round figure to 600. I will give some example. Here just observe 5437. 5437 is less than 5499. That's why we have to round figure to 5000 only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then I will give one number 5927. Yes. Just round figure this one. 5000 or 6000?
Ma'am, 5,000.
Think.
Ma'am, can I
5927, that is the value.
Okay.
900. It is lies in between 5000 and 6000, na? Okay, in between value is 5500. Yeah?
Can I? I'm just showing in my video. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah, wait,
ma'am?
ma, Gargi. Yeah, sure. I can't. Ma, little bit near camera.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I just
tell that one.
big one.
Just tell that one. Yeah.
Ma'am, 927. I just round off it.
Once again.
5.
Say loudly.
9 to
Yeah.
5,927. 927 I just round off.
No, 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 no. Listen carefully. 5,927. Here we have to round it off to 1,000. Here six value is there. We have to round it off to up to 1,000. They mentioned 1,000. Round it off means up to 1,000. We have to encircle. Up to 100 they we have to round it off means just up to 100 only encircle. They given up to 10 only encircle. Round it off means just up to 10 only you should encircle. Clear? Yeah. Yes. Now tell the answer. Yes, 5,927. Where it is located?
927, I just round off.
Up to 5,927 we have to round it off 1,000 place. It is in located in between 5,000 and 6,000, isn't it? Where it is nearer to? Yes, 5,927 is nearer to 6,000 or 5,000. Just tell me the answer.
I'm 6,000.
Ma'am,
Yeah, of
6,000.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
6,000
6,000.
only. Very good, ma. 6,000. Shreya, it's understood now? Harivardhan, Yuvraj. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is easy.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easy, but she's confusing too much. Yeah. That is
Yes,
the problem. Shreya? It's confusing also. Too much confusing here. Yeah, Shreya, clear this one?
Ma'am,
Can you hear me? It's very easiest, ma. Clear? Yeah. Yeah, round it off that one. 5,927. We can round it off to which one? 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah. Yes. Good. Clear? Yes. Where is Sai Samar? Absent. Okay, done. Next one is yeah. Yuvraj. Yuvraj. Yuvraj over yours. No, Yuvraj only. Yeah, Yuvraj, tell the answer. Thousands. We have to round it off to thousands. Yeah.
3,000.
Yeah. 3,000. Why?
3,000.
Why? 3,000?
Ma'am, because 400 is nearer to 3,000.
499 is there. I already told. It is located in between 3,000 and 4,000. In middle 3,500 is there. Up to 3,499. We have to round it off to 3,000 only. That one you should remember. Okay.
Ma'am?
So previous the five. Yes, ma. Tell.
Ma'am, what is the answer for the before one? I just wanted to cross check.
This one.
Ma'am, the previous one.
This one. Wait. This one.
Ma'am, the
65,004. Yeah, that one answer is 65,000 only. Because of
Okay, ma'am.
5,437, it is less than 5,499. That's why we have to round it off to previous number, that is 5,000. 6, take it as it is. Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. 3,000. The answer is wrong here. 3,499. We have to round it off to 3,000 only. Here the question is like means 3,500 means we have to round figure to 4,000. 3,600 means we have to round figure to 4,000. It's clear. Is there any doubt in that? Don't
No, ma'am.
confuse, ma. Yeah. See here, just once means you just consider 0 to 10. Okay, up to 4 only you just round figure to previous number. 5 and above you have to round figure to 10. Next, tens means just you consider 10 and 20. Okay, here middle value is 15. Up to 14 we have to round figure to previous 10. 15 and above we have to round figure to 20. Next, hundreds means 100. Here 200. Just consider Then middle value is 150. Previous value is 149. You just remember up to 149 you just round figure to 100. 150 and above you just round figure to 200. Just write down in your textbook. You already wrote no yesterday. Till you have confused.
Yes.
Yeah. This one you
Ma'am, I
should
wrote
practice.
that in the homework book 5 times also.
Very good. You just practice means there is no confusions here. Practice,
Ma'am,
ma.
I
You already practiced
practiced
this? Good,
also.
ma. Very good. Now I will give thousands value. See here. Thousands means thousands here 2000. In middle value is 1500. So the previous one digit is 1499. So up to 1499 we have to round it off to previous 1000, and 1500 above means we have to round figure to 2000. Just write in your textbook. You just practice this one. Shreya, write down, ma. It's clear now. Is there any doubt? Others? All of you?
Ma'am.
Yeah. You just practice, ma.
Done, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. There's today's homework is you should practice this one 5 times. 5 times, and also you should practice these. Where correct those which are wrong. You just correct it. Where is wrong, no? You just correct it here. Clear? This one also homework. You just solve in your homework book. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we should write it in 5 times and send to you.
Yeah, you can write and send to me. Otherwise, you can write and take parent signature to that one. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay, done. Then every day is one table you should write. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? This one. Then we will move forward. Next, we have to see here. They mentioned here, just observe. Here, see. Same value is here 75847. It means approximate to nearest tens. Tens they given. It means we have to round it off to tens. Yeah. How we have to round it off? Just observe here. 75847. Okay, tens means we have to round it off up to tens. It means, yes, tell me, up to where we have to say encircle.
Ma'am,
Tens
to
means
47.
very good. That one you should tell. Yes. We have to encircle to 47. Yes, tell me. 47 is lies in between 40 and 50, na? 40 and 50. Yes. It is
Ma'am,
nearest to 2.
50.
Where?
50.
Yes. Just observe here. 47 is located is nearest to 50. That's why we have to round it off to 50. Yes. What is the answer? 7,500 and 75,850 is the answer.
75,850.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, what is the here? Is it 44 or 54? Or what? Near the 50.
Say loudly, Shreya.
Ma'am,
You only,
nearest
huh?
to 50. Yeah, ma'am. Near the 50.
Yeah,
what
nearest to
is that?
50 is there. 47 is nearest to 50, no? That's why we have to encircle to 50. Okay.
But
Yeah.
which is that near to the 50, that round one? What is that?
50, 50
Ma'am,
where?
she's asking in the number line after what you wrote before 50, ma'am.
Okay, done. Wait. This one is 47, ma. Don't worry. 47, that one. Clear? Here 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done. Yes, this one is over. Next. Okay. So answer is 7,000. Yeah. Tens is over. Next we will move to the 75,847. Next we have to find out. Next we have to find out hundreds. Okay. Hundreds means up to where we have to encircle.
Ma'am, 847.
Yes, very good. 847. Yes, 847. It is located in between 800 and 900. Okay, so 847, it's located here. It means it is less than 849. Less than 849 means we have to round figure to 800 or 900.
100. 800.
800. Very good. You can write it as 75,800 is the answer. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Yeah. Next one. Next, just observe here. So we have to round it off to thousands. 75,847 is there.
Ma'am, we have to round up to 5,847.
Yeah, we have to encircle to 5,847. Very good. Then 5,847, it is located in between 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, you just write down this one. It will be easy to you. Okay, then it is greater than 5,500. It means here 5,847, it is located here. Then 5,847, it is nearest to 6,000 or 5,000.
6,000.
Yeah,
6,000.
you can round it off. 76,000 is the answer. Easy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Easy. Yeah,
Easy.
easy. Yes. Clear, Shreya? Still you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yeah? No? Clear? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, is this homework?
Okay. Yeah, this one is homework to you people. Homework. Then just observe here.
Can I write it 5 times?
No, no, no. Don't write 5 times. That formula only you can write 5 times. After every problem you can solve only 1 time only. Okay? In homework book. Clear?
Okay, okay.
Okay, done. Okay. See, 75,847. 10,000 we have to find out. Round it off. Then, yes, tell me up to where we have to encircle here.
Ma'am, 75,847. The whole
Yeah,
number.
whole thing we have to round it off. Yes, tell me 75,847. It is located in between 75,000 and 76,000. Isn't it? 75,000 and 76,000. Yes, tell me where it is located nearest to, yeah, 75,800 means here.
Ma'am, nearest to
75,800.
76,000.
Very good, isn't it? That's why we have to round it off to 76,000 is the answer. Yes, is there any doubt you have? Yes, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Easy? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Easy, ma'am.
Clear. No? So this one is the homework to you people. Just solve in your homework book. Clear? Next one. See, estimating outcomes of number situations. Just observe here. They given some values. It means 3,946 and 6,579 and 2,050. Okay. Here we have to add this. Then what is the answer you will get? Yes, we can add this one. Yes. 6 plus 9, how
Yes,
much?
ma'am.
Harivardhan? Harivardhan?
Yes, ma'am.
6 plus 9, how much?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 15.
15. Yes. 1 carry na? Yes, good. Then Shreya, 4 plus 1, how much?
5.
Shreya? 5. Yes. Then Revan, 5 plus 7, how much?
12, ma'am.
12. Very good. 12 plus 5, how much, Gargi?
Ma'am, 17.
17. Yes, good. One carry. Very good. 9 plus 1 is how much, Sneha?
Ma'am, 10.
10 plus 5, how much, Sneha?
15.
11.
15 plus 0, how much, Yuvraj?
15.
15 plus 0.
Ma'am, 15.
Very good. Don't confuse. 0. Okay. Don't confuse. 0 and 15. 15 is the answer. One carry. Very good. 1 plus 3, how much? Raymond.
4.
15,
Yeah.
ma'am.
15, yeah, over that one. 15, yeah. We got the answer. Okay, 4 plus 6, how much? Neha. 4 plus 6.
10, ma'am. Ma'am, 10.
Yeah, 10 plus 2, how much?
Ma'am,
All of you.
10.
Ma'am,
10 plus 2, how much?
12.
12. Yes, read this one. All of you.
Ma'am, 12,575.
Yeah.
775.
Yes, yes, yes. We got this answer.
Ma'am, is this homework?
No, wait. I will tell that one. Wait. See here. This one is the exact value. Okay. Approximate. It means after round it off, what is the answer we will get? Just check it out now. Yes, see here. We have to round it off to thousands only. Yes. See here. 3,946. We can round it off to 3,946. It is nearest to
is breaking.
now.
No, ma'am, it is not breaking.
Now clear now? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
for me it's breaking.
Yeah. Still?
No, ma'am, your voice
Now?
is not breaking. No, ma'am, your voice
Wait.
is not breaking.
Hello?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
your voice is clear.
Clear na?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Otherwise I will rejoin. Wait. Stay here on. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. See here. So after approximating what is the value we will get? Yes. We can round it off now. 3,946. How much we will get? 3,946. It is located in between 3,000 and 4,000. Yes. Where it is? Yes. Tell me. Round it off. 3,946.
4,000. Ma'am,
Yes.
4,000.
4,000. Is it right?
4,000.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Right answer. Yes, ma. What is the answer? 4,000. Very good. Very good. Next, 6,579. Yes, round it off this one. 6,579.
Ma'am, 7,000. 7,000.
Very good.
Ma'am,
7,000 is the
7,000.
answer. Because it is greater than 6,500, no? That's why we have to round it off to 7,000. Very good. Next, 2,050. Yes, round it off this one. 2,050.
2,000.
Very good. 2,000.
Ma'am,
Very good.
2,000.
Good. Yes, ma. Just we can find out the answer. 0 here, 0. 0 here, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes. Add this one. 7 plus 4, how much?
Ma'am, 13. Ma'am,
7
the
plus
answer is
4.
13.
Yeah, good. 7
Ma'am,
plus 4, how much?
10,575
11, ma'am.
is rounding off
11 plus 2, how much?
11,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma.
13, ma'am.
13. Yes,
Ma'am,
just observe that.
13,600.
Yes, good. Yes. This one just round it off. 12,575.
Ma'am, 13,600.
Of course. The
13,000.
answer is 13,000. Yes, good. Just observe here. Exact answer and approximate answer almost same. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You should solve in this manner. In your homework book. This one is homework to you.
Ma'am,
Okay.
first we have to do the 12,575, that one, then we have to do 13,001.
Yeah, also this one you should find out the answer. It means exact value. After that, approximate value you have to find out and sum that one. Clear? Yeah. Is there any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, done. We will move forward. This is homework to you. It's very easy, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Next. Yeah, yeah. So example 5. Estimate 5,290 plus 17,986. Yes. You find which one is greater here? 17,986 or 5,290?
Ma'am, 17,986.
17,000.
Yes, very good. Yeah. So we have to round it off this one. 17,986. Yes, just round it off to 10,000.
Ma'am, 18,000.
Of
Ma'am,
course. Okay.
18,000.
Yeah, very good. Okay, 18,000. Very good. Then 5,290.
Ma'am, 5,000.
5,000.
How much? 5,000. Very good. Yes,
5,000.
add these, you will get the answer. 8 plus 5, how much? 8 plus 5, how much?
13, ma'am. Ma'am, 13.
13.
Ma'am,
1 carry.
13.
1 plus 1, how much? 2. Yeah, 23,000 is the answer. Is there any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shreya now? Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes. Good. Yes. Is there any doubt, Shreya, you have?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
Yeah. Clear. See,
Ma'am,
next
is this
problem.
homework?
Yes, of course. This is homework to you people. So you should solve in your homework book. Don't write in CW. Okay, classwork. Just write in homework book only. Okay. Yeah, solve this one. Round it up.
Example 6, ma'am.
Yeah, ma. What I explained every day you should solve in your homework book. Okay. When I send the PDF, no, that one only you should write in your classwork book. Clear? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just round it off. 5,673. Yes, tell. 5,673. Round it off. It lies in between 5,000 and 6,000. It is nearest to where? 5,600 here. More than 5,500.
Ma'am, 6,000.
Very good. What is the answer? 6,000. Yes. 436. 436. We have to
Ma'am,
round it off to here they mentioned thousands. Here they mentioned thousands means here there is no value. Zero is here. Just write down zero. Because we have to round it off to 1,000 means just look at here. 1,000 means it's located in between is less than 499. Okay. So we have to round it off to zero only. So greater than 500 means we have to round it off to 1,000. But here there is no value. That's why we have to round it off to zero. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Yes. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to put here 0. Then 6,000 minus 0. What is the answer you will get?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000 only. Yes, very good. You should solve in your homework book only. Yeah. Clear? Yes. Solve this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Solve now first. Make it fast. 5,673. Round it off.
6,000. Ma'am, which one?
6,000.
Ma'am, which one?
5,673. Yes. Round it off. This one. This one. First one.
6,000.
6,000. Yeah. Good.
Ma'am, 6,000.
Yes. Very good. Next
Ma'am, it
436.
is, ma'am, it is said
400.
that we have to round
Four.
off. Ma'am,
They mentioned means up to where only we have to mention. See here. We have to round it off to here hundreds only. It means just consider 5,673 means just encircle up to hundreds place. It means 673.
ma'am, 5,700.
Very good. Like this. Yes, ma'am. Okay, they mentioned here. Don't worry. They mentioned hundreds, thousands, like. Yeah. Then 436. Just round figure this one. Round it off. 436.
400.
Yeah. Just subtract 0, 0. 7 minus 4 means 3, 5 as it is. What is the answer you will get? 5,300 is the answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
5,300.
Yes. Clear? Addition and subtraction, you know. Is it clear? Addition and subtraction?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yeah. We
ma'am.
will move to the products. Products. Yeah. Just observe here. 19 and 78 here. 19 we have to round it off to tens. 19. Yeah.
Mom, can I drink water?
Yeah. You don't tell anything. You can drink. Okay. 19 is nearest to which one? We have to round it off to tens.
Ma'am, 20.
20, of course. Then 78, it is located in between 70 and 80. Okay. Then we have to round it off to 78. How much?
Ma'am, 80.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 80, ma'am.
Yes, yes, 80.
80.
Okay. 0, 0 here, 2 zeros, take it as it is. 8 2s are 16. What is the answer you will get? 1,600 is the answer. Is there any doubt? Approximation?
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Then tell me this one. 63. Yeah, they mentioned, na? Wait. Nearest to 200, they
Ma'am,
mentioned
is
here.
that homework?
Yeah, of course. Homework. Okay. Yes, see here. 100. We have to round it off to 100. Okay. 63 here. 63 is located in between 0 to 100. So more than 50 is there, na? 63 is located in between 0 and 100. It is more than 50. That's why we have to round it off to 100. Isn't it? 100. Then into 182. It is located in between 100 and 200. It is nearest to 2.
visible.
Why?
Ma'am, it is visible
Others?
for me. 200. Ma'am, it is visible for me.
Okay, okay. Now clear, ma? Yeah? Clear?
Ma'am, I'll log out and log in 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible.
Okay, done. See here. 100 into 200. Just find out the answer. 2 ones are 2. How many zeros here? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just read this one.
Ma'am, 20,000. Ma'am,
Yeah, this is the
20,000.
answer. Yeah, of course.
20.
Clear this one. This way you have to find out the approximate value and multiply. Okay? Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done. So here, try these problems here. You should solve these problems. Okay? Okay, done. See here, they mentioned estimate the following pro. They didn't mention anything. See here, 87. 87 approximate value is 90. 313 approximate value is 300. Just multiply, you will get the answer. Then 9 approximate value is 10. Then 795 approximate value is 800. Just multiply. It's easy. Next, 898 approximate value is 900. Then 785 approximate value is 800. Just multiply. It's easy. Yes, tell me. For 958 approximate value is
Ma'am, 1,000.
very good.
Ma'am, 1,000.
Very good. 387.
Ma'am,
All should
400.
answer here. Yes,
Ma'am,
very good.
400. Ma'am,
This way you have to find out the answer. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Yeah. Wait. Here. Which one, ma? All these problems?
No, ma'am, that last one,
Okay,
958.
958, ma. It is located in between 900 and 1000. Okay, so it is greater than 950, no? So that's why we have
Yes,
to round
ma'am.
figure to 1000. Then 387, so it is nearer to 400. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Is there any doubt in that? Is
No,
there
ma'am.
any doubt? Clear. Good. Then, yes, tell me. 81. Hundreds, we have to round it off to 100. They mentioned like this. Okay. See here, hundreds. Then tell me. 80, 81. Hundreds. Now estimate 81 into 479 using this rule. 879 we have to round it off. Yeah. So which one is bigger? No, here tens value is bigger. That's why we have to round it off to tens value. Here 100 value is bigger. That's why we have to round it off to hundreds. Okay, clear? Then tell me 81 is round it off to 80.
80.
Clear?
80.
Yeah. Yes, 479 is it is rounded off
Ma'am,
to.
500.
500.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Just
500.
multiply, you will get the answer. Yes, ma. Good. Clear this one. Then tell
Ma'am,
me
this
this
is
one.
also
37.
homework. Ma'am.
Yeah. Every problem you should solve. Okay. 37. Round it off.
Ma'am, 40.
Ma'am, 40.
Very
40,
good.
ma'am.
40 is the answer. Then this one,
Ma'am,
1889.
Ma'am, 2000.
Yeah. 2000.
2000.
Yes, very good. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Next one. Yeah, 1.3 exercise, or you should solve all these problems. Okay, tomorrow take it as homework. Okay, this one. Afterwards, tomorrow I will explain now only. Okay, you should complete. Then. Yeah, listen carefully. So up to here, you should solve in homework book. Homework book. Clear? So I already sent this one PDF. You just solve. Yeah, try these problems. You should solve in your homework book. Don't write in classwork book. What I said now, with that one only you should write in classwork book. Clear? I already sent the PDF now. That is photo.
1.3 is in homework.
No. You should complete it in your fair.
In classwork.
Yeah. Yeah. Fair means classwork. Clear? Yeah. I will solve now. Make it fast. I will solve one or two problems here. Here. 730 is here. Just round it off. 100 place is greater. No? Yes, round it off. First.
700. 730.
730 is there. 700. We have to.
700.
Very good. 998. Round it off.
1000.
Very good. Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer? 1700. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any doubt? Yes.
No,
Is
ma'am.
there any doubt? Okay, done. Next problem.
No,
Yeah. 796 is there. Then round it off.
Ma'am, 800.
700.
Ma'am, 800.
Very good. Then 314.
Ma'am, 300. 300, ma'am.
Very good. Just what is the answer?
1000, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, 500.
Minus, ma. We have to subtract.
500.
Yes.
500.
What is the answer? We will get 500. Very good. Yes, round it off this one. 12,904. It is located
Ma'am,
in between
13,000.
12,000. Very good. Very good. It is located in between 12,000 and 13,000. So it is nearest to 2 here. 12,904 here. Okay. It is nearest to 13,000. Isn't it? You know 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers? Up to 1,000, lakh, you can write, no? Yes.
Yes,
You just remember that one. Okay. Then you can round it off to 13,000. Then 2,888. Just round it off.
2,900.
No.
Ma'am, 3,000.
Yes. See here, 2,000. It is located in between 2,000 and 3,000. Don't confuse. So it is nearest to 3000. That's why. Yeah. Just add 3000. Then what is the answer you will get? 16,000 is the answer. Clear? Yes?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In this manner, you have to solve all these problems. Okay. Then if you have any doubt means, you just ask me tomorrow. Yeah. Then here I will solve. Okay. Tell me. In second man, which problem I have to solve? Just tell me. Which one you complicate to you? That one I will
Ma'am,
solve.
C. Ma'am, C.
D, ma'am.
Second main. Here. Second main, which problem I have to solve?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, B. Ma'am,
B.
ma'am, B.
Next. B.
Ma'am, B, ma'am.
B, yeah. Okay, done. See. Okay, observe here. 1,08,734. So it is located. We have to round it off to lakh. It means it is located in between 1 lakh and 2 lakh. So it is closer to 1 lakh or 2 lakh, ma? 1,08,734.
Ma'am, 2 lakh.
Listen carefully. That is not 1,88,000. That is 1,08,000. Here, 1 lakh afterwards, which one you will get? 1,10,000, 1,20,000, 1,50,000. Above means you should round it off to 2 lakh. That is less than 1,50,000. It means you have to round it off to 1 lakh, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Just observe. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So 1,88,000 means you just round it off to 2,000. Here they mentioned only 1,08,734. It means you should round it off to 1 lakh. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me. 47,599. Yes. Round it off.
Ma'am,
It is closer
48,000.
to
48,000, ma'am.
no. Listen carefully. Here 10,000. 10,000 means here before 10,000 means previous value is 40,000. Next value is 50,000. It is located in between 40,000 and 10,000. Just observe here. We have to round it off to 10,000 means we have to take 10. Clear? Okay, 1,000 means we can take this one 7,000 and 8,000. Here I am round it off to 47,599. It is located in between 40,000 and 50,000. Which one is nearer to 47,599? Yes, tell me. It is nearest to 50,000, ma.
50,000.
Yeah. Yes, don't confuse. You should practice. Yes. Then 1 lakh minus 50,000. What is the answer? 50,000. This is the answer.
50,000, ma'am.
Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Easy.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Next one. Very, very easy.
Ma'am, when will you send the performance report?
Yeah, I will send. Today only.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
don't worry. I will send today only. Yes, see here. In third man, which one I have to solve? Yes, tell me. One, A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am,
E, ma'am.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, A.
A.
Ma'am,
Some
C.
students are taking
A.
A.
Ma'am, C.
Okay, done. A. C and A, both I will tell. Wait. Okay, 578. Yeah, 578. It is located. I am just round it off to hundreds. It means it is located
Ma'am,
in between
600.
500, 600. Yes, very good. 600. Next, 161. It is
Ma'am,
located in
200.
between. Very good.
200.
Yes, just multiply 6 2s are 12. Remaining how many zeros here? 4 zeros. Just put here.
4
Then you will
zeros.
get the answer. 1,20,000 is the answer.
1,20,000.
Yes, of course. Next, third one. I will solve here. See, 1,291. It means it is located in between 1,000 and 2,000. Where it is nearer to? Yes, tell. Which one is
Ma'am,
nearer to
1,000.
1,002? Very good.
1,000.
1,000. Yes, 592. It's located in between
600.
500 and very
600,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. 6 ones are 6. How many zeros here? 3 plus 2, 5 zeros. Yeah, it's too easy. 6 lakh is the
6
answer.
lakh.
Yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Up
ma'am.
to that, 1.3 exercise is completed. Okay. You just practice. You just practice at
Okay,
home.
ma'am.
Okay. Done.
Ma'am, it's 1.3 homework.
No. Listen carefully. I already sent this one screenshot, isn't it? Just write in this one. Just solve in class work. Clear?
Ma'am. Okay,
First, you just practice up to here. Up to here, try this problem. Some problems here you can solve in homework. Exercise problems only you should solve in classwork. Others you should solve in homework. Clear? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear now? You just inform to your friends also. Just join the class. Okay. Just inform to others. They have interest means they will join. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. What
ma'am.
is the fees to you? No, that one only. There is no changes to student to student. Okay. Every student's fees is same. Class timings is same. Teacher is also same. What is my name?
Vasanta Kumari, ma'am.
Yeah. You just tell Vasanta. That's yeah. Yes, of course. Is there any doubt in that one? Today's explanation?
No, ma'am.
Okay, done. Take care. You just practice. What I said no, you just practice at home.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am.
Take care.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Bye, ma. Bye. Bye. Take care.